channel Joro Vlogs, and today's video is about chicken thighs. So whole chicken, have it washed, slit and drained the water completely, kept it dry. So this is about 1 kg of chicken, and you can see here it's a 1 kg of chicken, 3 big portion of thighs. And I also have masalas here with me. So I'm just going to take you through the masalas. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, salt according to taste, 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of jeera masala, the powder, jeera powder. And you have curd, about 50 ml. Here I have ginger garlic paste of 2 spoons each. I have lemon juice, you can see the measurement. Okay, and I also have kasturi methi and oil to just marinate. So we're gonna marinate this. I'm gonna show you how to marinate. I have a bowl, so I'm gonna mix my masala in the bowl here. So I'm gonna start with ginger garlic paste. So have approximate, I would say around 50 grams of ginger and garlic. That is like 2 tablespoons, 1 big spoon of each. Okay, and I'm gonna add chili powder. And chili powder you can change it according to your taste buds. If you want it too spicy, too hot flavor, so you can add more of chili powder. And adding garam masala, which is about 1.5 tablespoon. And next I'm gonna add jeera powder. Just let mix the dry ingredients first, like this. Okay, if you see, come like this. Now I'm gonna add curd. So this is about 50 grams of curd. Very easy and simple recipe to enjoy good tandoori kind of chicken at home on tawa, if you can't make it on coal. And if you do have a piece of coal, I will just show you how to make that smoke flavor, okay, at the end when I am gonna fry it. So what I'm doing is, after all this masala, I'm gonna have it marinated overnight. I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna add salt to it. As you can see, salt is according to your taste, how much you require. I would suggest using your hand instead of the whisk. The masalas will blend nicely when you mix with your hand. Okay, so once you have all this mixed well, we're gonna add little oil, say about 1 tablespoon. Yeah, that should do. First we're gonna fry our chicken in butter. So if you're too cautious about diet, you can take skinless chicken and reduce on oil, butter, and I'm gonna add the lime juice in it. Alright, and I have kasturi methi here. So when you're putting in the kasturi methi, crush it well. You see this? So I'm gonna crush it. Just 1 spoon, half spoon of kasturi methi is enough. We don't require too much as well. Alright, So now what I'm gonna do is, this masala I'm gonna nicely massage the chicken thighs. I'm gonna massage it nice. Just take it this way. Just do this. And where the cuts are there, just move it in like this so the masala will get in. Alright? So you can see all the cuts. Have it go in like this. So another advantage, having them cut like this is because your chicken will cook fine. It will cook faster. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll give this fellow a good dip in the entire masala. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this rest for about 20 hours in the refrigerator. So tomorrow afternoon is when I'm gonna fry. So I would get back to you guys when I'm gonna fry and show you the method how to fry it to get the juiciness and the tenderness of the chicken and get the smoky flavor as I mentioned. So I'm gonna light up a coal and then show you how to do that. Alright, so see you soon. I have my chicken rest in peace overnight, say approximate about 18 to 20 hours. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry it. As you can see here, I have the coal on the stove, making it hot enough so that I can get the cool flavor, the tandoori flavor. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. You can see the coal is nice and hot. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry it in the pan. I have the pan heated up and I'm just gonna separate my chicken out here. We need to give a mix. And do remember that I have the chicken out from the fridge, had it got in back to the room temperature, and then I'm gonna put it back in there. Okay, so don't just right away take it out from the fridge and put it in. So that is gonna make it kind of uncooked. It will be cold inside, won't cook properly. Alright, so bring it to the room temperature and then put it on your tawa. I have 20 grams of butter approximate, so this goes in. So we're gonna fry our chicken with butter. So let the butter melt. So just do this. Don't keep on too high flame. Okay, we're gonna cook the chicken in medium flame so that it cooks well, it doesn't burn. Alright, now I'm gonna put my chicken in. As you can see, goes in. And the coal that I have here, I'm going to place it in here like this. Be careful. Alright, just going to place it in here and add about half spoon of oil in it. And as soon as you add oil, close it with the lid. It will reduce the smoke inside automatically by itself. So when it does that, then you can open and take it out. So until then, have it closed like this. Let it cook with the smoke inside. So that is when you get nice smoky flavor, like you made it on the charcoal, like tandoori. Okay, as you see, it is the smoke is reducing. It's been about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take the coal out and flip my chicken. Alright, you see the smoke? Be careful, this is gonna be very hot. Okay, just try to spread your chicken because it might, as it gets cooked, it will get shrunk. So have it spread so it will cook as soon as it will cook well. So just do this, have it spread, and please remember to have your flame in low, very low. If you have it on high, your chicken is gonna get burnt. Okay, if you feel that it requires a little more of butter, you can add the butter in. So I just have some masala left over, I'm applying it on it. If you find the masala is left, you can apply it. Aroma that I'm getting out of this is amazing. I'm feeling hungry right away, and look at that color and the texture of the chicken. It's appetizing and tempting. Okay, and please do remember, every 5 minutes have the sides changed. Keep flipping the chicken so that it doesn't burn. If you feel that you need to add a small piece of butter more, please add it. It will tenderize the chicken even more. Give you a nice flavor. So I'm going to cover it now, and next 5 minutes I'm going to flip it again. Okay, I just flipped the sides and you can see how beautiful the color, the texture. Alright, and just press it down like this so that it cooks evenly. See the butter, the way it is caramelized, the fat from the chicken and the skin. So that is the reason, you should have chicken with skin, so that it will give its own, flavor out like butter and cook your chicken really well. Okay, so I'm gonna close it again. It has to cook more, as you can see. It still needs to be cooked. 10 to 15 minutes I have turned it, and you can see how beautiful it is. Amazing. And yeah, remember to have the flame in very low, and I'm using a non-stick. Always keep a non-stick, if not your chicken will get stuck to the bottom here. So use a non-stick pan if you have. It is always good, so that you don't get your chicken. You can see here completely there's nothing underneath. No, it's not got stuck to it. It's completely fine. Okay, so my chicken is almost done. You can see how soft it is. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna plate it. Wow. Oh, it's hot and amazing. As you can see the other side as well. Oh man, I'm drooling. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna plate it. Ow! You can see. Wow. Finger looking good. So I'm just gonna plate it. I'm gonna show. serve it with some onions. Yeah, you can plate it this way. You can give one simple touch and some lemon to squeeze. Yeah, this should be good. Alright, so I'm just gonna have this amazing chicken and I'm gonna let you all drool. Alright. Yep. As you can see, really good with some lime. Squeezing on it, yeah. Can't wait. Right out of tawa, smoking hot. You can see the chicken is cooked. You can see how hot it is, and you just need to eat this very hot, and it's really good, amazing. Don't let it go cold. You can see that juiciness from the skin. Just killer with some lime squeezed over it. Perfect recipe, perfect chicken, marinated really well and tender and juicy. Alright, as you guys drool, please cook this at home and let me know how it is. Please do share your comments. While I eat this, like, share, comment, and please do try this at home and let me know how it is in the comment section. See you soon. I can't wait. I can't talk. See you soon for the next video. Bye bye.